light about 30 seconds or so after I drip this in, okay?
Alright. Is it gonna catch on fire?
In about 30 seconds.
There it goes.
Okay. Yeah, that was a major overestimate on my part. But yeah, that is molten iron down there. So surprisingly, the flower pots together work surprisingly well. The inner one is cracked, but still held together fairly well. I bet if I was able to fill this, because I wasn't able to fill it completely with concrete. I bet if I was, then it would have held up pretty well. So the part that came out is mostly, it looks like corundum, aluminum oxide. It's not really magnetic. Yeah, so hopefully that means iron is on the inside. So you can see the iron here that we got after it's been cleaned, more or less. It is not perfect, obviously. It's got, let's see if we can line this up. Yeah, there was a bubble, well, lots of bubbles there, one going all the way through it. That's probably, that is a result of not preheating the mold. There was water in the concrete, and that turned into steam when you hit it with molten iron. But altogether, you compare it with these other element samples that I made, and those are clearly the same shape. But yeah, this is cast iron made from thermite. It's about 250 grams, which when you do the math, it comes out to about 20% yield. So not good, not bad. It just is.